Hi there, I'm Raihan. I am a AI-generated avatar. Today I am here to talk to you about generating passive income by making avatars. Yes, you heard that right. You can make money while having fun creating digital characters. First of all, you need to create an avatar that is unique and appealing. You can't just slap a couple of circles and call it a day. Your avatar needs to have personality, charisma, and charm. People should look at it and say, wow, that's amazing. I want one too. Once you have your avatar, you need to give it a name. It can be something catchy, like Bobby the Bear or Sally the Sloth. Just make sure it's easy to remember and spell. Now comes the fun part, selling your avatar. There are many platforms where you can sell your digital creations like NFT marketplaces, online marketplaces, and social media platforms. Just make sure to price your avatar accordingly. You don't want to sell it for too little or too much. Find the sweet spot and watch the passive income roll in. But wait, there's more. You can also offer customization services for your avatars. Maybe someone wants their avatar to wear a top hat or hold a microphone. You can charge extra for these customizations and make even more passive income. And there you have it, a fun and easy way to generate passive income. So what are you waiting for? Get creative, make some avatars, and watch the money roll in. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.